Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen and today I'm making a cake, a soap cake. And I'm going to be using this silicone cake pan that I got off Amazon, and I'll have the link below. And I'm excited to do this because I've made cakes before and I have trouble getting even slices, and so I bought this handy dandy. It's a pie slicer and it's got 6 holes and I want 12 slices. And so this isn't going to actually go down all the way, but I'm going to go down and then turn it and go down, and it'll make good marks so that hopefully I can get even cake slices. That's my goal today. Let's start with the fragrance. I'm going to be using this Transformation from Nurture Soap, and it says it discolors to a light pinkish purple, which is perfect for the color range, and it smells fantastic. So that's going to be the fragrance in this cake. And for the coloring, I'm so excited. From Wholesale Supply Plus, Crafter's Choice, I have this caramel brown butterscotch mica, which is just gorgeous. And I'm just going to use a little. I'm hoping to get sort of a beigey champagne color with this. And then also for the blushy color, I have this French silk stocking. Is that beautiful or what? It's like a blushy pinky purple. So those are going to be my colors in there. On top, I have some sugar pearls. And again, these are just from Walmart sugar pearls, and they're just fine and they're very inexpensive. So that's where I got these. And I have some eco glitter that I'm going to put on top to make it just sparkly and pretty. I'm going to do some just flat rosette type flowers with this one. And this little one, I can't even read that. But these are the 2 piping things. I'm going to do like little stars with this one and little like rosette type flowers with this one. I'm not going to do a big high top frosting. I wanted to do flowers. So that's what we've got going on today. I'm going to pull everything together and we will come back and make some soap cake. Also, if you enjoy watching my videos, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe and the bell for notifications. And I'm on Facebook and Instagram too, so you can check that out. Okay, we're ready to move forward. So what I've got going on in here is my oils and butters are all melted together and cooled. I've got my organic colloidal oats and kale and clay and the Transformation fragrance, which again, it does say that it doesn't cause acceleration, but it can discolor to light pink or purple, which is perfect for this wedding cake. So here is my lye solution, which has tussa silk fibers and some sodium lactate. And we're going to hand stir it in until we're ready to split off, and we will stick blend as needed. So yeah, the colors for this wedding are like a shiitake, a dusty rose, and a dusty blush color. So I think that this whole, even if the portion that I add titanium dioxide to, even if it discolors a little, it's just going to go right along with the whole theme. So I'm very excited to see how this comes out. We're just going for emulsion here, and we'll split off for our colors. And that's looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and split off here. I think this big one here is going to be my ballet pink. So lovely. There. Let's do a little more, and then this big one, I will add the titanium dioxide in here. So I think I'll do the pink first. Yes, French silk stocking. So gorgeous. All right, and our caramel brown, which I'm just going to do a little shy on there because I want to go for a lighter color. And we'll go ahead and stick blend these in and make sure the colors are where we want them. Ah, that is gorgeous. Up over here. Alrighty, let's get our cake pan over here. And again, this is a little wobbly, so I have it on a tray in case I needed to move it. So we're just going to do a little drop swirl, and we'll save off the top for our piping bags. Right, we're back the next day, and actually this is very strange to me because I didn't cover this and force a gel phase or anything, and look, I don't know if you can see, but it cracked. Some of the flowers cracked, so I'm not sure what caused that, but I think it'll be fine once we get it all sliced up. I don't think it's going to take away from the aesthetics. So let's see how we get this out of the cake pan. I think I'm just going to have to flip it. There we go. Well, that came out pretty nice. Little sugar pearls. Now I'm going to mark it with my little cake thing, so try and get it centered up as best I can. All right, so here's what we ended up with. It got very crumbly as I was slicing it, and I had to like lop off. See how it sort of crumbled there? But I got some couple of really beautiful slices. Salvaged what I could. I'll just chunk up the rest and throw it in with my rebatch stuff, and it'll become part of my bucket of rebatch shreds. But the colors turned out beautiful. The fragrance smells amazing. So I need to work on my cake cutting skills. But I got some cute little flowers, got a couple of good slices here. So overall, I'm happy. I wish that it hadn't been crumbly like that and cracked on the top. Not sure what was going on with that. I did do a pH strip and it's neutral, so it did saponify properly, but you know, that's the way it goes sometimes. I'm going to tweak my recipe and work on my cake cutting skills, but here's what we ended up with. Not a bad day.